Hello everybody, I welcome you all to One Academy Test Session 1. As I promised you people, we will be bringing up the questions to you people first. Then we'll bring up a video of solutions for all of you on One Academy. You're all requested to please like this channel first of all and subscribe so that you get the updates. What is the flow will be कि पहले हम वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे आपके लिए टेस्ट सेशंस के लिए जिसके अंदर हम आपको 10 या 20 क्वेश्चंस देंगे मिनिमम. उन क्वेश्चंस को आप अपने एंड पे सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके इमिडिएटली बाद हम एक आपके लिए सोल्यूशन की वीडियो लेकर आएंगे. नाउ दिस इज ऑल ट्रस्ट फैक्टर गाइज. आप लोग अपने एंड पे अगर इसे प्रॉपरली सॉल्व करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली ये ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बना रहेगा कि आप अपने एंड पे बहुत लॉयली इस टेस्ट को लेकर चल रहे हैं. 10 क्वेश्चंस किसी भी फील्ड से रह सकते हैं, कोई पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. अगर आपके पास सजेशंस है तो यू कैन पुट इन योर सजेशंस फॉर मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. तो आज पहले ये टेस्ट सेशन का वीडियो लाइव हो रहा है, इसका सोल्यूशन हम अपलोड करेंगे बाद में. तो अभी आप अपने पास ब्लैंक पेपर, ओएमआर शीट कुछ भी लेकर रख सकते हैं और उसके साथ इन क्वेश्चंस को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि आज डे 1 है, सेशन 1 है. आई विल बी रीडिंग आउट द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. आप अपने पास एक पेपर पे कहीं भी आंसर्स को नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. दिस इज मी वानी मेहरा एड्रेसिंग दिस सेशन डायरेक्टली राइट नाउ. तो पहला क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन में है विद रेफरेंस टू ग्रीन वर्डिक्ट्स. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. Niti Aayog has recently commissioned a study that seeks to examine the unintended economic consequences of judicial decisions that have hindered and stalled big ticket projects on environmental grounds. The study is to be undertaken by the Jaipur headquartered CUTS Consumer Unity and Trust Society Center for Competition, Investment and Economic Regulation. Which of the statements are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. प्लीज़ इसे अपने हाथ में किसी ओएमआर शीट या वाइट पेपर में मार्क कर लीजिए ताकि आपको पता लगे कि आप क्या आंसर कर रहे हैं. यू कैन रीड द क्वेश्चन. वी हैव 20 मिनट्स टू सॉल्व इट. आप टाइमर लगा सकते हैं, वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हैं मल्टीपल टाइम और उसके बाद आप इसे फिर से देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो, लुक एट द क्वेश्चन, आंसर इट एट योर ईज एंड आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डू नॉट वेस्ट द टाइम सो मच. So guys, let us go to the next question now. अगला question है हमारा with reference to the trans fats, consider the following statement. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India FSSAI has amended its rules, ठीक है, to cap trans fatty acid in food products. The 2% cap is considered to be elimination of trans fatty acids which India will achieve by 2022. Which of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. आप वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और अपने एंड पे खुद से इन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कीजिए सो दैट आई कैन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आप अपना टाइम ले सकते हैं, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट प्लीज डोंट चीट, डू नॉट चीट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. With reference to Information Technology Act 2000, consider the following statement. It covers all intermediaries who play a role in the use of computer resources and electronic records. Second option is social media platform do not come under this. Which of the statements are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. Next question. With reference to the one-person companies, consider the following statement. It can be formed by just one person as a shareholder. In India, the concept was introduced in the Companies Act of 1956. Which of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. Next question. With reference to the currency swap, consider the following statement. Currency swap agreement involve trade in local currencies. Second, it reduces the risk of volatility against the third currency and does away with the charges involved in multiple currency exchanges. Which of the statements are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. एक बात मैं रिआइटरेट करना चाहती हूँ, आप अपने एंड पे इन चीज़ों को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहली बात. दूसरी बात, अगर आपको लग रहा है कोई भी चीज़, कोई क्वेश्चन डाउटफुल लग रहा है तो आप अपने एंड पे से सॉल्व कीजिए. जब सोल्यूशन की वीडियो आएगी यू पीपल विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका क्या फ्लॉ था, कहाँ गलती की आपने, वो आपको तब पता लग जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. KA226T utility helicopters to be jointly manufactured locally by India and which of the following country? IR का क्वेश्चन है. USA, इजराइल, जापान या रशिया. लेट मी टेल यू, ये टेस्ट सेशन सारे ही बच्चों के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये करंट अफेयर्स भी इंक्लूड करेगा, स्टैटिक पोर्शन भी इंक्लूड करेगा. इट कैन बी वेरी हेल्पफुल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट यू वांट टू नो. Generally also it's for everybody, like all the people can actually see questions from it, so that's not a problem. Next question, who among the following was the only Indian to command an infantry brigade in battle during the Second World War? So it is General J.N. Chaudhary, General K.S. Thimaya, General P.P. Kumaramangalam and General S.H.F.J. Manekshaw. Please check this out. And next question is, with reference to the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, consider the following statement. Option 1. Section 2 of the Act says that whoever disrespects the Indian national flag or the Constitution shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 20 years or with fine or with both. Second, as per the Act, disrespect to the Indian national flag includes using the Indian national flag as a drapery in any form whatsoever, except in state funerals or armed forces or other paramilitary forces funerals. Which of the statement is correct? 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Yes. I'll move to the next question. Please pause it for yourself and try to figure out how you need to answer this question, everybody. With reference to the first India-European Union high-level dialogue on trade and investment, consider the following statements. It was a major outcome of the 15th India-European Union Leaders Summit held in July 2020. In this meeting, India signed free trade agreement with the European Union. Which of the statements are correct? कौन सी statement सही है? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Moving on, which of the following music festival will be named after Bharat Ratna Pandit Bhim Sen Joshi? Very important. This kind of question can be asked. कोई भी कहीं पे भी आपको पूछा जा सकता है. So guys, you can take up this question right now. Try to answer this question, everybody. Is it the Zero Festival of Music? Is it the Akashvani Music Festival? Is it the Tansin Sangeet Samaroh? Is it none of the above? Answer to the question is in your hands. You can answer anything that you feel, but हाँ अगर लगता है कुछ गलत है तो definitely we'll figure out later on. Okay, I'll move on to the next question until then. So I've given you 10 questions for today. आज के लिए हम 10 questions से start कर रहे हैं. We'll slowly move on and we'll be beginning up and initiating more questions. ठीक है? We'll do that, guys. Don't worry about it. And let me tell everybody this thing, that I'll be uploading the solution video. Next video that will come will be the solution video. We are also putting the DNA analysis, the Hindu DNA analysis. Please watch it out. Very soon we are bringing the polity sessions on Vani Academy. We are bringing different courses on Vani Academy. We've thought a lot about you people. You also think about us. Let us reach 1000 subscribers and we have a giveaway. I'm announcing a giveaway today on Vani Academy after 1000 subscribers, and when we cross 1000 subscribers and good number of views on the platform, I would be giving away a few important things which will be helpful for you people. So the giveaway will be announced once 1000 subscribers are crossed. Please help us to cross 1000 subscribers on the platform. Also, that is one mandate only. We have to reach millions of subscribers yet. We have to reach millions of people. Vani Academy is focusing on affordable and accessible education unlike ever before. Education has been imparted in the country, but affordability has always been an issue. Education is available in our country, but accessibility is always an issue. We want to break these barriers. And Vani Academy represents voice of not only me, voice of everybody who is associated with us. We will also be picking up a lot of issues, social issues. We'll be picking up political, we'll be picking up geopolitical issues, we'll pick up environmental issues on this platform. This can represent a larger voice of the people who want to talk about, who want to discuss things, and you being the tomorrow of this country, we as youth has to make it happen. So guys, I'll upload the solution video. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this video, share this video as much as you can on Facebook groups, Telegram groups, WhatsApp statuses, whatever, and let people have this word. And just look at your scores. Do not get demotivated. We'll take the numbers up. Even if you've scored very good, तब भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर आपके कम मार्क्स है तब भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We are at a practice stage. Practice makes a man perfect. And with this note, thank you so much. I'll upload the solution video next. Thank you. Take care. All the best.